Hello everyone, this is Pradeep Verma, the Commerce Guru. I welcome you all on your favorite YouTube channel. Today I'm back with another video on Mission 9 July 2020. So as I promised you all in my previous video that I will back soon with another video on important objective type question. So it is part 1 of that series, and in this video we are going to discuss 30 important MCQ questions. Before starting the video, I would like to request you all to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the latest notification of my next part of this series. So let's begin today's video. इससे पहले कि आज का हम क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करें, आप सभी को एक रिक्वेस्ट है, सजेशन है कि जैसे ही मेरा क्वेश्चन ओवर हो आप अब वीडियो को वहीं पॉज करके आप अपने सजेशंस, अपने आंसर्स को चेक कर लें कि आपके अकॉर्डिंग व्हाट इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. देन व्हेन आई गिव द करेक्ट आंसर, देन यू कैन assess your answer that you have given the right answer or wrong answer. So let's start today's video. So this is first question. Keeping in view the changes in the consumer's demand and preferences, Tastemaker Bakery has reduced the sugar and fat content in its product. This approach of business shows that management is what? Dash by means you need to fill the blank. And the options are an intangible force, a group activity, a dynamic function, and a multidimensional activity. So the correct answer is option number C, dynamic function. Now next question number 2. Identify the feature of coordination being highlighted in the given statement. And the statement is coordination is not a one-time function. It begins at the planning stage and continue till controlling. And the options are coordination ensures unity of action. Coordination is an all-pervasive function. Coordination is a continuous process. Coordination is a deliberate function. You know well all these are the features of coordination, but you need to identify that feature which is highlighted in the given statement. And the answer is option number C again. Coordination is a continuous process. Now question number 3. Robert worked in a factory. His main job is to keep machines, tools, materials, etc. ready for production for the workers. Identify the job position held by Robert under functional foremanship. As you all know, this technique of scientific management given by F.W. Taylor, and he has suggested 8 experts. You need to identify that expert which is highlighted in the given case. And the options are instruction card clerk, gang boss, repair boss, and route clerk. And the correct answer is option number B, that is gang boss. Now question number 4. The principles of management are intended to be applied to all types of and all size of organization. This statement reflects that the principles of management are. So again, principles of management के लिए पूछा गया कि वो क्या है. And options are general guidelines, flexible, universally applicable, and mainly behavioral. And the correct answer is option number C again, universally applicable. Now quickly move on to the 5th question. This technique of scientific management aims to determine the amount and frequency of rest intervals that should be provided to the employees during working hours. So again, some suggestion given by F.W. Taylor, and you need to identify that technique which has that kind of suggestion. And the options are time study, method study, motion study, and fatigue study. All are come under work study. And the correct option is option number D, fatigue study. Now next question number 6. According to this principle of general management, that means principles given by Henry Fayol, an organization should safeguard against abuse of managerial power, but at the same time a manager should have the necessary authority to carry out his responsibilities. Name the principle of management being described in the given statement. And the options are discipline, authority and responsibility, unity of command, and unity of direction. Again, I would like to request you all, आप यहीं पर अपने वीडियो को पॉज करके अपना ऑप्शन चुन लें कि आपके हिसाब से सही आंसर क्या है, एंड देन रिज्यूम करें अपने वीडियो को और देखें कि करेक्ट आंसर क्या है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, अथॉरिटी एंड रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. The growing awareness about the healthcare has led to an increase in the demand for healthcare products and services in the country. Identify the feature of business environment being described in the above case. And the options are dynamic nature, uncertainty, complexity, and interrelatedness. So you need to identify the feature of business environment given in the above case. And the option is, correct answer is option number D, interrelatedness. Now next question, question number 8 dash is considered a major element of political environment. So out of the 5 dimensions of business environment, that is macro environment, you need to identify the element which belongs to political environment. And the options are, first, the extent and nature of government intervention in the business, then plant outlay in public and private sector, then expectations from the workforce, and the last, administrative orders issued by the government authorities. So the correct answer is option number A, that is the extent and nature of government intervention in the business. Now question number 9, identify the limitation of planning described in the following statement. So now you are going to have a case and you need to identify the limitation of planning that is given in the case. The consumer durable sector in Kerala, which accounts for about 10% of the national market with sale of rupees 3,000 crore, was badly hit by floods during the peak of Onam season. As a result, the retail sales reduced by 40%, leading to unexpected losses for the marketers. And the options are, planning involve huge cost, planning reduce creativity, then third, planning may not work in a dynamic nature or environment, then planning leads to rigidity. All these are the limitations, but you need to identify that limitation which belongs to the particular given case. And the correct answer is option number C, planning may not work in a dynamic environment. Next question, 10th number question. An enterprise adopt different ways to provide training to employees like job rotation, coaching, vestibular training, conference lecture, method, and role playing. Identify the type of plan being described in the above line. And the options are method, strategy, program, and procedure. So all these are the types of plan. You need to identify that plan which specify the given case. And the answer is option number A, that is method. Now next question, 11th number question. McDonald, you know well, the company does not give its franchisee to any other company which is running food business. This is related to which type of plan? Again, you need to identify type of plan. And the options are policy, procedure, method, and budget. And the correct answer is option number A, that is policy. Now next question, question number 12. Identify the last step under organizing function. A very easy one. And the options are assignment of duties, then second, establishing reporting relationship, then identification and division of work, and then departmentalization. You know well, organizing process has only 4 steps, and all I have given in the options, and you need to identify the last step. And the correct answer is option number B, establishing reporting relationship. Next question, question number 13. Rehan and Rohan are working as departmental heads in Best Living Limited. Rehan has been entrusted with the responsibility of cosmetic division, whereas Rohan is heading the food division. Identify the type of organizational structure being followed by the company. So you need to identify the organizational structure जो कि इस company में follow हो रहा है. And the options are functional organizational structure, divisional organizational structure, matrix structure, and network structure. So the correct answer is option number B, divisional organizational structure. और सभी को पता होना चाहिए कि हमारे सिलेबस में मैट्रिक्स स्ट्रक्चर एंड नेटवर्क स्ट्रक्चर है नहीं, सो इट कैन नॉट बी द आंसर ऑफ एनी क्वेश्चन इन आवर बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 14th. Which of the following source of recruitment is not categorized as external sources of recruitment? So you know that ki there are two sources of recruitment, internal and external. You need to identify the source of recruitment which is not categorized as external source. And the options are campus recruitment, casual callers, promotion, and employment exchange. And the correct answer is option number C, that is promotion, and rest belongs to the external sources of recruitment. Now next 15th question, we are half of the question now. This type of training is provided to the employees of an organization in order to familiarize them with the organizational rules and policy, their superiors and subordinates, and so on. So it is a type of training. You need to identify the name. Vestibule training, apprentice training, internship training, and induction training. And the correct answer is option number D, that is induction training. Now quickly move on to the next question, 16th number question. According to Maslow's need hierarchical theory, need for love, affection, companionship, friendship, etc. will be identified as. So as you know, Maslow has given a hierarchical theory जिसमें कि उन्होंने needs को rank wise provide किया and 5 needs divide किए थे. So you need to identify that particular need. And the options are psychological needs, then social needs, then self-actualization need, then safety and security needs. And the correct answer is option number B, that is social need. Now next question, question number 17. Reducing the workers' absenteeism in a factory by 20% is an example of. Options are quantitative standard, qualitative standard, deviation, and none of the above. And the correct answer is option number A, that is quantitative standard. Question number 18. In a marketing firm, the financial manager pays more attention towards an increase of 3% in the marketing cost as compared to a 15% increase in the courier expenses. Identify the concept being used by the manager. So options are management by exception, critical point control, corrective action, and none of the above. And the correct answer is option number B, that is critical point control. 19th question. The decision relates to how the firm's funds are invested in different assets. So from 19th question we have entered in parts B of business studies. So which decision relates to the firm's fund invested in different assets? And the options are investment decision, financing decision, dividend decision, and none of the above. And the correct answer is option number A, that is investment decision. Then quickly move to the next question, question number 20. These decisions affect the liquidity as well as profitability of a business. And the options are capital budgeting decision, financing decision, working capital decision, and dividend decision. And the correct answer is option number C, working capital decision. Next question, question number 21. The inability of a business to meet its fixed financial obligation like payment of interest is known as business risk, financial risk, long-term risk, and market risk. And the correct option is option number B, financial risk. Now next, question number 22. A company must adhere the provisions of Companies Act while taking the dividend decision. This is a given statement. Identify the related factor of dividend decision being mentioned in the above lines. So various factors are there to take the dividend decision. You need to identify that particular factor. And the options are contractual constraints, then legal constraints, then access to capital market, and then preferences of shareholders. And the correct option is option number B, that is legal constraints. Then question number 23, which is not an instrument of money market. You need to identify that instrument which is not come under money market. That means you will have 3 instruments which is the instrument dealt in money market, but one is not. The options are call money, certificate of deposit, then EIPOs, then treasury bill. And the correct answer is option number C, EIPOs. Next question 24. Raj Enterprises wishes to invest rupees 1,10,000 in treasury bill. What is the maximum number of treasury bills it can buy with this fund? So out of the fund, that is 1,10,000, what is the maximum number of treasury bill that Raj Enterprise can buy? And the options are 6, 7, 4, and 2. And the correct answer is option number C, that is 4, because it is issued for rupees 25,000 and in multiple thereof. So आपको पता होना चाहिए कि ट्रेजरी बिल 25,000 के मल्टीपल्स में होता है. दैट मीन्स 25, 25, 25, 25. दैट विल बिकम 1 lakh. देन यू आर लैकिंग फंड्स. दैट मीन्स यू कैन बाय मैक्सिमम 4 ट्रेजरी बिल्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 25. Maruti Udyog makes its products available for sale through a chain of companies approved retailers. Identify the level of channel of distribution. Options are 1 level channel, then 2-level channel, then 3-level channel, and then none of these. And the correct answer is option number A, 1-level channel. Next question 26, number question. Identify the component of branding being depicted below. So you have gone through this particular image very well. You are knowing that this particular image. So आपको identify करना है इस branding के बारे में component को लेकर. That is brand name है, either brand mark or trademark or generic name. And the correct answer is option number B, that is brand mark. And you know that कि ये brand mark किसका है? Audi car का. Audi. Okay. Now next question. Identify the right of consumer being exhibited in the picture. Now you are going to have a picture. You need to identify the consumer's right given in that picture. So I am zooming it. Just go through it. Okay. A shop is there, and a statement is written given by this girl, and the statement is, I want to buy a pink colored dress in the same design. So through this picture, you need to identify the consumer right, and the options are right to choose, right to be heard, right to seek redressal, and right to consumer education. And the correct answer is option number A, right to choose. Now next question, 28, question number. Sandeep purchased a diesel car for rupees 7 lakh from an automobile company and found that engine is defective. Despite many complaints, the defect was not rectified. Suggest him the appropriate authority where he can file the complaint under Consumer Protection Act 1986. And the options are District Forum, State Commission, National Commission, and none of the above. So given value is rupees 7 lakh, and just because of that, the correct answer is option number A, that is District Forum. Next question, second last question of today's video. Which of the following is not considered as consumer's right? So all given out of the given options, you need to identify that particular option which is not a consumer's right. First one is right to information, then right to consumer's education, then right to education, and last is right to safety. So the correct answer is option number C, right to education. And the last question of today's video is dash aims at standard for manufacture of fruits and vegetable products. And the options are ISI mark, FPO mark, egg mark, and hallmark. And the correct answer is option number B, that is FPO. So in this way, today in this video we have gone through 30 important questions, and I hope so that you have enjoyed a lot and that will help you for your board preparation. And I'm going to upload the next part number 2 very soon as a mission of 9 July 2020 for the preparation of board examination. Till then, keep watching my channel, keep supporting me, subscribe and share. Thanks a lot.